Hello! I am back with another hair tutorial today, and I'm going to be trying out cornrows. Well, just one in particular, this one right here at the front. I've always struggled with this one because it's just the most awkward in terms of hand positioning. I've always been comfortable cornrowing to the side. I've only just learnt, so it might not be perfect, but it's easy enough to follow. So here we go. So before we get into it, I just want to ask, please, can you subscribe? I am trying to grow my channel, and if you like my content and like what I put out, please do subscribe so you are the first to get to see it and you don't miss anything. Chit chat time. I know we are all kind of coming out of lockdown now, and in the UK especially, things are opening up. It's a really exciting time, and for myself personally, I can't wait to start socializing again. But I know that so many people and friends and family who I've interacted with are having a really tough time integrating themselves back into society again. And it is nerve-wracking, and I just wanted to take 2 seconds to just say it's okay to be feeling anxious, to want to take things slowly. It's alright to do things in your own time, because you know what? It's been a whirlwind, and everyone has had to really get used to things, and it's just going to take time, and you've got to be patient with yourself. I think if there's one thing that I've learned throughout this whole time, it's patience, because by the very nature of lockdown, we were locked down. We couldn't do anything, so you had to be patient. So it's something that I've always struggled with. I'm continuously trying to get things done, tick things off. So the whole, taking a back seat and actually taking some time for myself, that's something I've always struggled with. So I think I've learned now that patience is key. Patience with yourself, with the people around you, and just being conscious and mindful of everyone that you encounter. Those are the things that when you sow those seeds, good things come back to you and you flourish. So just wanted to say it's okay, and we'll get through this. So what I'm doing on the side is taking a section of hair, putting an elastic band around it, and adding it to another section of hair just behind it. So it's creating this awesome kind of feed-in effect and a loop-in ponytail. And I actually call this a pretty much cheap cornrow, because it adds the same effect as a cornrow, or the same sort of level of detail that you would get from it, but it's just so much simpler. So the way I like to do my top cornrows is I actually start plaiting downwards first. So I do the first couple of stitches facing downwards, having my hands face downwards, and then I'm gradually moving my hands upwards and backwards on, say, the third, fourth or fifth stitch. And I'm then taking hair from the back and feeding it into the plait so that the stitches now lie flat on top of my head. The number one rule with cornrows is that you just have to remember the middle sections are always plaited over the sides, so that your plait will sit on the outside and not on the inside like a French plait. So basically you have to remember that when you're moving your hands backwards and you're now starting to feed in hair from the back of your head or the top of your head into your plaits. That's a wrap. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully you learned something and found this helpful.